Here's a really cool side hustle tutorial on how you can make money with coffee. Plus, this will only take you like half an hour of work per day. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So I know a lot of people are very passionate about coffee. Some people can't even start the day without their cup of coffee in the morning from Starbucks or whatever, right? So if you're one of those people who are very passionate about coffee, you think about coffee all the time, you love to drink your coffee in the morning, and you're a real coffee guy or coffee gal, this is a video that will most probably interest you because I'm going to show you a really cool side hustle that you can do that will really interest you, I'm sure. So if you check those two websites here, we've got deathwithcoffee.com and illycoffee.com. So what those two websites have in common is that they are in the coffee niche. They have a lot of products related to coffee. They sell coffee mostly. And as you can see, this website here, Death with Coffee, it sells a bunch of different products like dark roast coffee, dark roast death cups. So different coffee products for different prices, and they've got like a bunch of a lot of positive reviews, like over 2,000 positive reviews on this one. And this website is clearly very well-run website and very successful in the coffee niche. If we check out some of its stats, you will see that they generate close to 500,000 monthly visits. So they are definitely making nice income from their website, and they offer like subscription plan and in-store products. So they have a ton of different things that they are making money from. If we look at the second website, illy.com, this is similar to the first one. They sell like coffee related products, but they sell a bit more. So in addition to offering a subscription plan and coffee products, they also sell like coffee machines and a bunch of different products as well. And just like Death with Coffee, this website is very successful in its niche, right? So if we look at some of the traffic stats, they also generate close to 500,000 visits per month. This one seems to be fluctuating a little bit more, but it's around the 500,000 monthly visits. So both of those websites are clearly making a nice income from the coffee niche. Now, why I'm showing you those two websites is because the coffee niche is a huge niche. A lot of people drink coffee. A lot of people are very passionate about coffee, and they're willing to spend money around this particular niche. And those websites, as you can see, they do generate a ton of traffic for that niche. And this is something I could make money from as well. You could partner with those websites and start making money from the coffee niche as well. So how exactly you would do that is you could become an affiliate of both of those websites and earn up to 10% commission on every sale that you make. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you sell other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. It's really a simple process, right? So how would you go about promoting products from those websites and start making affiliate commissions? So there are different ways you could go about promoting it, right? But one particular way I want to talk about is to do Instagram, and this will work very well with Instagram because the way you're going to do it is you won't have to show your face doing this. You won't even have to create content based on the way I'm going to show you. You won't even have to do much of the work. This will only take about half an hour of work per day. This is why I'm saying this is like a side hustle. Okay, you can do this for like 30 minutes or 20 minutes a day, and eventually down the road you will start seeing amazing results doing this. So how exactly would you go about promoting this is by creating what we call an Instagram theme page. An Instagram theme page is basically a page where you curate content from other pages, and basically normally those content are going to be viral content. So for example, if you have like a cat Instagram page, you would curate cat pictures and videos from other Instagram accounts and bring them to your account. Obviously, when you do that, you need to give credit to the original poster because you don't want to get into any trouble. In some cases, you even might have to message them and ask them permission. Most of the time they will be totally fine because this is like giving them free promotions. But Instagram theme page is a really great way of building free traffic very quickly because you are creating viral content. Plus, you don't have to create any content yourself. You're just taking other people's content. Obviously, again, I have to emphasize on this. You need to give the original poster credit for it, but it's very easy to create an Instagram theme page and to grow an Instagram theme page as quickly as possible. And this is exactly what you would do for this method. Okay, you would basically create great pictures and videos in the coffee niche and make your page become the go-to page for the coffee niche. So for example, if you look at some of those pages here, you see this is an Instagram theme page in the cat niche, cat of the week. They have 1 million followers on their page, and as you can see, they curate a ton of viral content around cats. So none of those content is from them. They're just creating content from other pages. And here's another one here about dogs, 1.6 million followers, and all they do is create content in the dog niche. So you could do something very similar in the coffee niche where you would curate viral content or really good pictures in the coffee niche. There's a lot of pictures on Instagram that you can go for, and there's a lot of different keywords that you can target, and you can create a theme page, an Instagram page only dedicated to the coffee niche. Okay, and then eventually you will start getting more and more subscribers, more and more followers, and as you get more followers, your traffic will also start to grow, which you can then redirect that traffic to those websites that I showed you earlier and start earning affiliate commissions. And if your concern is, well, where am I going to find content? What if I don't have enough content? As I've said, you're not creating anything, you're just creating content. And there's a ton of different content in the coffee niche. For example, if you go on Instagram and you type in #coffee, you'll see that there's a ton of different keywords around coffee time, coffee lover, coffee shop, coffee addict, coffee gram, coffee art, coffee daily. So there's a ton of different pictures and hashtags for coffee that you can go out and find content for. And what you want to do is you want to post a lot of content, like 5 or 6 pieces of content per day, because then you will increase the chances of one of your content to go viral, which will allow you to grow a lot faster. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you that you're gonna make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this method. This is why I said this is more of a side hustle that you can do and spend like 20 minutes or half an hour a day on this. But eventually, if you become better and very good at creating viral content in your niche, your Instagram page will grow very quickly. You will go to 10,000 followers, 20,000 followers, 50,000 followers, and eventually you will start making really nice commissions every single day. It's all about being consistent with this method. And as I said at the beginning of this video, if you are passionate about coffee, this is something that you will enjoy doing, and you will enjoy posting content around coffee because you already like coffee. So this is really for those of you who already have some kind of passion for the coffee niche and are willing to work on this and be consistent with this for the long haul. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.